Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be talking about toolchain and IDE. In the previous video I was talking about generating of an executable program. You already have learned about the job of preprocessor, compiler, linker to generate an exe file. If you haven't watched that video yet, just go to that video and watch it, because the previous video is totally linked to this video. I'll give the video link in the description box below. Now coming to toolchain, isn't it a good idea if all of this like preprocessor, compiler, linker are integrated together in a package or bundle? Yes, of course, that's what I'm gonna talk about now. This group of package or this group of bundle is called toolchain, because they are in a chain together. Preprocessor will give its output to compiler as input. Compiler will give its output to linker as input. Finally, linker will generate the exe file. This toolchain will help us to translate our human readable programming language to machine language. Now, to compile our C++ code, there are so many compilers are available. For example, GNU C++ compiler, ARM compiler, Turbo C++ compiler, etc. etc. I'll be using GNU C++ compiler. The reason behind that is this is free of cost and available for all the platforms as well. Now, we'll write our C++ code in a text editor application like Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime Text, etc. And we'll save our file giving a file name .cpp extension, and it will be considered as C++ programming file. We'll pass this file name to our toolchain entering a command, and toolchain will take care of everything and it will give us the final output. Now you're familiar with toolchain. Now coming to IDE, one problem here is if we are working on a large project where hundreds of thousands of files are available, so many folders inside folders again, then it's very difficult to manage all the files in a short period of time, which is very time consuming to develop a large software. So here comes the concept of IDE, Integrated Development Environment, which will provide you some facilities like text editor where you can write your code, then toolchain where you can compile and generate the output, and it will highlight your C++ keyword as well. So all of these facilities are integrated together in an environment. So this is called Integrated Development Environment, simply IDE. Here this is very simple. To generate an output, just write your code and just click a button, your exe file will be generated. There are so many IDEs are available. For example, CodeBlocks, NetBeans, Eclipse, etc. Since I'm not gonna manage a large project and I'll be writing 1 or 2 files just to share the concept of C++, I'm not gonna use any IDE like CodeBlocks or NetBeans or Eclipse. I'll be writing my code in a text editor like Sublime Text, and I'll be entering the command to compile as well as run my program. So that's all guys for today. In the next video I'll be showing you how to install toolchain as well as IDE in your system. If you have any queries, any concerns or any suggestions to me, then just drop a comment in the comment section below. I would definitely love to answer all. And if you like this video, just hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload. Thank you very much. See you in next video.